Oh, was it really so difficult?
Yeah.
Wow, it was just vocabulary. Well, I can see we have 4 students. Some good news. But actually, I thought it was pretty easy. Anyway, let me see. So can you see my screen with the results?
Not yet. Now can see now.
Okay. So we have results all over the place. Actually, it was relatively easy. Okay, we shall see. The dwarf king ruled over the large country. So it must be Rasso, because Rasso means short, Manto means long, or big, actually. And Rasse is not. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, you can see it now.
Okay. So it cannot be Rasse because that's nonsense. Manti also, you do not have. You just cannot do that because if it is Rassa, you basically it becomes NG1, and you need to therefore decline it as NG1. Black tigress. So because it is female, must be Kala, and here either it is black. Okay, that's fine. But the monkey is red, so monkey must be Ratting. Ratting because it's a female. Makating cannot be Rattang. But anyway, here it was about vocabulary setting means white, Ratting means red, and then Uchena or Rasena. So that we already had that in the previous question. Rasena means short, Uchena means long. Tall, we're asking about tall. So there's only this option.
I think
The
here
white.
in okay. I guess here the previous question, in the previous question, I think you have the same answer for the option.
Here.
Yep, and the first and the third one. I think they are the same.
Oh, I see. I see. We have to have setting here. Okay, very well.
I was wrong because I chose the another one.
You chose the other one. That's right. Okay, yes, I will update that. Then question number 3. The wise monk teaching the law. So Dhammang Desento, Pandito or Panditu. So again, Pandita is according to NG1, so it must be Pandito. And then seems like also I have 2 that are the same, right?
But I'm confused why we choose Saruping but not Sarupan. For the beautiful.
Oh, here.
Yes.
Thank you. Very well. Yes, that definitely is right. So yes, Saruping must be Sarupi, because it is it T, so it must be Sarupi. You have Arupa again, is based on neuter, and here actually Rupa, Sarupa needs to be declined as NG1. And when it is iti, you need to make it into a female. So Sarupi. Yes, that's the
The
difference.
NG1 is not feminine. That's why I'm confused here. It should be Saruban.
Yes,
So
you need to make the adjective into a masculine if it comes with a masculine noun, and you need to make it into feminine when it comes with the feminine. Like you had the Mali and Malini. You see, you had to transform the word from Mali to Malini and then use it. The same way you have Sarupa, so you have Sarupa or Sarupi, and then you have Sarupo. You need to transform the adjective in to make it masculine or feminine. Like here, you have Hasanto, and here becomes Hasanting. It's actually almost everywhere. Hasanting, if you look at the previous questions, it's the same thing everywhere. So if we have here Ratti instead of Rattan, because we have to transform the adjective into a feminine style. Is it clear?
yes, now I'm clear because Sarupa I thought is actually masculine. So I see it I follow masculine. That is why I
Yes.
was wrong.
Yes. I actually worry whether Gatia Manang actually is correct. So I will, let me see. What does the Pali text say? We have Gatia Manang indeed. But I think it should be Gatia Maning. But we do not have, I think we do not have answer for this. Seems like we do not have Gatia. We don't know, Katyamani is not in the scriptures at all, but Katyamanang is there only several times, only 4 times in all of the texts. And it seems, yes, and it's always connected with the male. Hmm. But I think it should be Katyamani. But it's very rare. It's very rare. So we will keep it as is. And later, maybe if you get an opportunity to see some Tipitaka Dhara or some other monk who studies Pali, you can ask them. Because it seems that Mani, like Mani, is very rare. It's like 5 times in all of the scriptures, and it's with words that are not actually the kind of word that we're looking at. Okay, let's continue. The powerful elephant, Kare vela voce tara voce. So cannot be Karani because Kara is NG1. You know, when you have the NG1, you need to take, as soon as it is male, then you use it as male. As soon as it is female, you use it as female. I do not think that you would be using Karani because Velu, Taru are Velu, Taru, you
Luther.
see, they're all neuter.
Mm.
But somehow I just cannot imagine that Karani would be there. Okay, so probably I was wrong here. Karani. That must be correct. Then there's something else.
Balawa, is it Balawahati or Balawahati? That one
Oh,
I'm
yes.
sure.
Yes, that's right. Aha. Aha. So that definitely is also wrong on my side. Must have been Balava. Balavo. Balavo Hati. Very well. Very well. So that's another point. So that was 3 and 4. Let's continue. When we have problems like this with our questions answers, note down somewhere that this needs to be corrected. And then when we get the final result, then we have a table and you need to help us to correct those results. So now it's okay. Karani velavo chataravoche chindamano balavo hati kirang tantiya dharaya Atiniya Sadikanta. Seems fine. Next, the feeble man received water from the elderly woman. So Dubbalo, because it's Puriso, must be masculine. Mahallikaya, because it's feminine. Mahallikaya cannot be used here. You actually have it there in the exercises. White horse. So white is Seto, Nilo is blue or black. So Anyang Asang Dasaniyam or Dasanaya. Dasanayang is something else. Dasanayang, I think, doesn't even have any meaning. Dasaniya is that's the way you have it.
Mm.
I don't think that Dasaniyang would exist. Let's see, it would make a little sense, like the Mahalika, but I don't think that Dasanayang makes any sense. Let me see if it exists. Dasanayang. No, Dasanayang doesn't exist. You cannot do that with this word. You need to use Dasaniya only. It would be Dasaniya, Dasaniyang. If it was short, then it would be correct for female. Dasaniyang, that because it comes from Dasaniya, but you cannot make it um, into Dasaniya. It doesn't work. Many tigers that descended from the hill. So Bahu Dipayo, Bahavo Dipayo. Why not Bahavo? I wonder if Bahavo is an accusative because it's like Garu Garavo. So you get Bahu Garu.
Mm. Yeah. Yes, yes.
And in that case, both
That's
of them should
correct.
be correct. But in that case, both of them should be correct. Bahu Bahavo. You see how's the Pali text. Seems like it's more difficult than I thought.
Yes, it is. Both are correct.
Both should be correct, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So another one. So that's 7. So we had 3, 4, and 7, right?
Yeah.
The young ladies who arrived. So Dahara or Dahario. So because it's Dahara, you need to put it into Dahara as a female, like you have Vanita. It's actually explained in the course book. Let me see whether Dahario exists. No, it doesn't exist. So only Dahara was correct. The other difference is in Pakkani or Muduni. Muduni means soft, Pakkani means ripe. We're talking about ripe. Small goat. Kuddako or Kuddaka. So because Ajo is NG1, it will have to be Kuddako and Ajo. And then Bahu Bhatang Alape. That's not possible because Bahu would be Bahu then would have to be for male, but we are talking Bhatta is neuter, so must be Bahu. Moreover, it's singular, so Bahung Bhattang Alapi. The foolish monkey. Rukhato Otino, Balo or Balavo. So Balavo is probably only for, that's right, will have to be for plural. So because it's singular and it's Bala, it must be according to NG1. Gambirang or Mudung. Mudung means soft, Gambirang means deep. And that's all. So 3 questions. I had 3 mistakes. All right. So please note down somewhere in your notebook or wherever. I suggest that you use Evernote because that's what I use and it's so good for me. But if you want to write it somewhere else, it's fine too. And when we have final test, which will be after another 7 weeks, you can tell me that there are 3 points that need to be corrected, and you can tell me those 3 points, and I can make it right. All right, this time I admit that I was preparing it on the last minute, but I think I can get right soon and get the tests on time so that I can prevent mistakes. Any questions? Anything you'd like to tell me? So far, everything clear. I think this lesson was particularly easier because of the fact that we didn't have to learn new declination. But it seems that new declinations are coming for the upcoming lesson, and we'll be learning a lot of numerals, right? It's actually quite big. Well, 4 pages of things. So there are a lot of numerals. You will need to know numerals because in Pali texts there are a lot of numbers and you need to know them. There's a lot of mathematics. There's even a little bit of combinatorics in some special cases. So it's good to learn. It's good to learn this. And then there's a lot of explanation, and then declension for we have here declension for 3, the plural, and jatu, 4, and then pancha. So that doesn't look so bad. Dvi, ti. I see. For eka, it's declined as ya, which you already probably know. And then you get only declination for plural. That's right. I see. And then you have declination different for 3, 4, and 5. For 3 and 4, actually. For masculine, feminine, and neuter. Cha, Satta, Atta until 18 are declined like Pancha. Then 20 and others are declined like Bhumi. That's a little bit of mess. Those that end by A are declined by Vanita.
Can you please share your screen?
You can look at your course book. I'm just looking at the, there's nothing special. Okay, so you will see that as you go through the lesson. I was just reading from the lesson. There's nothing new. And good luck. I hope to do my homework early this time. And let's see if I can manage tomorrow. Then I would like to send to you the Anki collection with the previous lesson as well, because that's what I had to do and I didn't. We are thinking about opening another Pali class, which will start from the beginning again. So if you would like to join that Pali class, then this Pali class will probably collapse. So you need, I would like to ask you to reconsider whether you want to join the new class, because as soon as we have 2 students or less here, this class for 3 consecutive lessons, then we actually cancel that. The new Pali class will be organized by Tutam, and she said that she has some applicants. So let's see how that will progress. You could also do one thing. You could actually go to both classes, but I don't think whether that will be helpful in any way for you. Any questions? Anything you'd like to tell me? So far, everything's clear. Okay, Mamiake, do you have some time? I would like to speak with you separately.